Hi, I'm Steve Swanson. I'm the President and Principal Consultant for 3Pines MD Strategies. I founded the company in 2017 after a long clinical career in neurosurgery and a series of executive positions at Allina Health and Medtronic. I went to medical school at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. I did my neurosurgery residency at the University of Michigan, and later in my career, I got an MBA at the University of St. Thomas Opus College of Business in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I became increasingly interested in physician leadership throughout my career in neurosurgery. And I sort of felt like I could make a difference for more patients through physician leadership than I could actually doing operations on individual patients. I founded 3Pines MD Strategies in part because I thought there might be a need for someone who had actually had a long clinical career, had worked as a health system leader, and then served as a corporate executive to coach physicians who were in career transition. 3Pines MD Strategies is a boutique healthcare consulting company. Most of my work is with health systems that desire a neuroscience center and integrated care for their patients with neurological diseases. I work with the doctors, the staff, to create systems, processes, and programs to support the care of those patients. I believe that 3Pines can be that trusted partner that brings together the providers, the technology, and the systems to elevate the care of the patients in the neuroscience center. 3Pines refers to 3 large red pine trees that sit on the shoreline of our lakefront property in northern Wisconsin. Those trees are about 70 years old, and they have endured the northern Wisconsin weather with wind, waves, ice, snow, and rain and hail, and they still stand, ramrod straight. They represent strength, resilience, adaptability, all characteristics that I think are critical for physician leaders. So those pine trees usually have very deep roots, but since they sit on sandy soil in northern Wisconsin, those roots can't go down below the water table, which is very high. They've adapted. Their roots go horizontal under the sand across the shoreline, and they have a broad base of support. The leadership metaphor with that is that I work with surgeons. I am a surgeon. My knowledge was technical, it was very focused and very deep. But as a leader, particularly in a large corporation, my success was based on my ability to influence people who didn't work for me, but people who wanted me to be successful. And those roots go out horizontal. And that's the metaphor I was looking for with 3Pines. 3Pines has 3 core values: excellence, empathy, and execution. On a day-to-day basis, it's pretty simple. Excellence means we're good at what we do. We have training, experience, and credibility. Empathy means that we care about what we're doing and who we're doing it with, care about our clients, we care about the patients that they serve. And execution means getting things done. We do projects and see them through to completion. A project that's unfinished is unhelpful. As the principal consultant for 3Pines, I work in 3 very distinct neuroscience spaces. I work with health systems and neuroscience centers to integrate their clinical programs. Secondly, I serve as a leadership coach for high potential physician leaders, particularly those interested in the neurosciences. And finally, I have the opportunity to work with private equity firms professional services firms, and startup medical device companies as they try to integrate clinical care and medical technology. I offer personal, on-site strategic consultation and coaching. I also speak at leadership seminars for high-potential physician leaders, and I will often work with private equity groups and professional services companies that are interested in the neuroscience market and neuroscience products. If you want to lead other physicians, you need to be viewed as a good physician yourself.